This video will show you how to install Ring Video Doorbell Elite Power Kit. You'll need to install Ring Doorbell Elite before performing setup in the Ring app. First, install the Elite Power Kit. The Elite Power Kit is a PoE injector that converts Ethernet to power over Ethernet. Plug the Elite Power Kit into any standard wall outlet near your. Run the provided 3-foot Ethernet cable from your router or Ethernet switch to the port labeled Internet In on your Elite Power Kit. Then plug the 50-foot cable into the port labeled To Ring Elite. Run this cable to your Ring Doorbell Elite, routing through the walls if necessary. Once you've run Ethernet cable and installed the Elite Power Kit, you're ready to install your Ring Elite.